Well, a spot in Southeast Portland is encouraging you to embrace the old. At Typespace, you can check out fully functional typewriters that date back as far as the 1800s. But as Fox 12 photojournalist James Sparks shows us, it's not just for the avid collector. Everyone is invited to check it out.
This machine, this is 1962 Royal Futura 80800. They look complicated and unapproachable, but give me half an hour, you're gonna be typing up a storm. For most people, the connection to the word, it's so different from sitting at a laptop where you have a delete button and a backspace. You really have to consciously formulate your words before they're put on paper. So, large insurgence with the pandemic, people going analog, spending a lot more time at home, obviously, and it really re-sparked the connection to typewriters in Portland. This is a book writer, or an accounting typewriter. A lot different from the other ones. This will roll up and down, and you type straight down on a piece of paper. These are all portable models. These all have cases. They're all smaller in size and weight. If it's in a case, it doesn't mean it's untouchable. Everything in shop, I want your hands on. I want you feeling it, touching it, looking at it from all angles. And then we always have accessories. We need the ink wells if we're doing pen work. We always need a stapler if we're writing more than one page. This is where all the magic happens. This is Mark Naylor. He is a very learned early century and 1800s, late 1800s repairman. He's the wrench in the shop for all the customer repairs and just invaluable. Something that I think everyone should try at least once. You don't have to take one home, but if you haven't felt it, if you haven't seen it or experienced it, just make that part of your life.
There are kids right now asking their parents, what's a typewriter? That was James Sparks with that story there.